Hello folks, this is Chris Rude, and today on our program we are going to cook salmon fillet. Yes sir, we're going to have a little salmon fillet, and I got a secret to how to cook it on the BlackStone. It's a wonderful way to cook it, and wait till you see. It's this is a really good recipe, and you just have to stay tuned to watch how we do it. We'll see you out at the grill. All right, folks, here we are. I got a nice salmon fillet, and I'm going to start with a little bit of oil, and I'm going to put it on there, and I'm just going to cook it straight with seasoning. That's it. Okay, hold on. We got the oil. Put a little oil on there. And then we're going to set the salmon fillet right on there. I'm going to cover it also. This is on low right here. And I have this one on low also. So we're going to cook it on low, and I might turn it up later, but right now we're going to keep it on low and see how it does with it covered. I'm going to bring you in closer right now. All right, let's uncover it, and I'm going to do a little seasoning and get some garlic salt on there, just a little bit, and some regular salt. Some paprika, and some special Japanese 7 seasoned spice. Let's see how this works. It's very good stuff, and I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to cover it up again, and here we go. We'll get back to you in just a few minutes and see how it's working. Hello folks, I just wanted to explain one thing about this salmon. I keep it on this. I keep the skin on. And I let it burn, because we don't care about the skin, because we're going to take it off later. I'm going to crisp that skin up, and I'm cooking the rest of the salmon through the skin. And that's one of the secrets of this. You know, you can cook it real good and hard, and it'll stay really nice underneath. And all you do is slip a knife underneath there after it's done, and it slips right off the skin. And I'll show you that later. All right. Well, we'll come back when this is almost done. Okay, folks, almost done. We're gonna finish it up with a little pat of butter on here, and let that go. And we're gonna just let that go, and then I'll finish it up 5 more minutes, and we're gonna be done. Okay, folks, it looks like it's done. Alrighty, so I got the butter's all melted in there, and that's really nice, very good. So let's take it off, skin and all, and we're gonna bring it in the house, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. All right, look at that. Okay, folks, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious, what a beautiful piece of fish with that savory Japanese seasoning, and Oh my gosh. And the butter. Oh, wow. Now look, I'm just going to show you how easy this stuff comes off. I'm talking. Look at that. Comes right off. Cooked. Look at, oh, that is crispy too. Sometimes I save that, but I think we cooked everything out of it, don't you? Yeah. So let's get rid of this. All right. Now, so we have this beautiful piece of fish. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How tender. Oh, look at that. Oh. Just want to show you. Just want to show you. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive. That is beautiful. Oh. Oh, oh my. Oh, lo. To perfection. To perfection. Oh. Lovely piece of fish. With that butter on there. And the seasoning. I just love that Japanese 7-spice seasoning. It is really, really good. And I can't tell you how good it is. It's so good. It's amazing. Let me have another piece. Oh, just Oh my. So good. Well, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for coming over to my channel and watching my little food antics. I'll be doing some more, hopefully. I know I haven't done anything in a long time, but hopefully we'll be able to get together again soon. This is Chris Rude saying thanks for watching. Oh, this is so good. Oh.